I guess you're in a rush, huh? Thank you. Okay. Just be nice. Not cleaning your roof off is not nice. Go, 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 go. You can look before you get there. Go, you dumbass. Jesus Christ, douche. Is that my mistake? I don't know. Exit dive. That's an entrance only. No exit. No exit. Dum-dum. Ah, that was rather close, you know. Go, stupid. Go, 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 go. Imbecile! Put your foot to the floor, you dummy, you dummy. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are both of you doing? Wake up! Toyo turd. Oh, God. Jesus. Fuck you, dog. What's your problem? I'm starting me, old man. I'm not in the fucking mood. Never am. Red. Ford ran the red. Are you gonna go straight from the turn lane, lady? I have a feeling you're going straight from the turn lane. Yellow. Red. Green arrow. Yep, she's going straight from the turn lane. You're sticking your nose out, dude. Hello? The side of the fucking road. Okay, don't roll that stop sign and cut off the pickup. I don't know why anybody hasn't passed you yet. Slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over. asshole. Get off my ass. Super douching around. 5, 6, XSK50. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that an exit dive? Hello? Hi. Thank you. Oh, and everywhere I go. You're not supposed to be walking there. Exit dive. Why'd I know that was going to happen? Yeah, now you use your blinker. Thank you, lady. Hello? Is this what I think it is? It's an exit dive. Toyota. Ran the red. Slowly, but ran the red. Ah! Shithead. Ambulance tailgating, that's nice, yeah. Put myself in your shoes. Ah! Here, yeah. Red light runner, yeah. Definitely red light runner. Yeah. Go to hell. He flies off to the left lane. There he goes. As predicted.